Here we have the MultiCam 5000 CNC router. This machine has a 5-foot by 20-foot work area. Here's a look at the handheld keypad. The machine is also equipped with a 10 horsepower Colombo spindle and an 8-position automatic tool changer. You can see working here. Again, this machine has a 5-foot by 20-foot work area, and you do get full table coverage with both the router spindle and the drill head. With this machine and its dual zone vacuum system, you can run the machine with 2 full sheets, or you can run a continuous part up to 20 feet long. Here we'll take a closer look at the keypad. If you look at the left hand side, our feed rate equals 642 inches per minute. That means that was the particular program speed set up for this file. But this machine is capable of cutting speeds in excess of 1,000 inches per minute and rapid traverse speeds in excess of 2,000 inches per minute. Now we'll park the machine. First we'll go to the left, then the right, and now we'll send it to the middle of the machine. Lastly, we'll show you the shutdown procedure. Go to the menu, hit shutdown. The machine will automatically unload the tool. Then the machine is ready to turn off.